There's one event that I wait with excitement every year. It's a 2-day celebration of beauty, cosmetics, and fashion. It's BeautyCon. Can you tell I've been so excited about today? So as I walk inside, I'm stunned by all the different brands and booths. It seems kinda overwhelming, but I start off by picking some of my favorite brands like Creme. Look at all these cool products, like their Hello Kitty line. Target even had a huge booth where they gave away customized beauty bundles based on your zodiac sign. Find your sign in the Beauty Pixel line. Korean beauty products have taken the market by storm in the last 5 years with innovative products. Specialized face masks, serums, powders, and peels for every skin type. 2K retailers that we saw at the show were OK and Facetory. This is so cool. It's a fridge for your face and beauty products. They have face masks. You could put in some of your makeup products, and it's supposed to make them feel really good when you put them on your skin, and it supposedly helps them last longer, which is really cool. I am here at the High Mirror booth, and it is an amazing product. Shirley, can you tell me about the High Mirror?
Yeah, so this is our High Mirror Mini. It's a smart beauty mirror. So you can do a skin analyzer, which will take a result of 8 different factors like wrinkles, red spots, fine lines. You can also put on makeup virtually. You can watch YouTube, so you can do makeup tutorials and put on your makeup. There's also Spotify, Instagram, Facebook. You can do a lot of cool little things. And we have our cool little makeup light feature right here.
Where to next? If you can't see everything in one day, every year, BeautyCon runs for 2 days, so you don't have to miss out. If you want to spoil yourself with a makeover, you couldn't do much better than Anastasia of Beverly Hills with their expert cosmeticians. I was so lucky to meet Anastasia at the show. Cest Moi means it's me in French, and they had lots of cosmetics to express yourself. Follow me to BeautyCon Pop. BeautyCon Pop is a marketplace for highly curated brands, exclusive product drops, and limited edition products. We stopped by for a quick makeover. So we are here at the Beauty Blender booth. Can you tell me about some of the products that you have here?
Absolutely. Well, today is actually the BeautyCon exclusive launch of all of our detailers. We all know that a beauty blender is, makeup's best friend and the #1 selling beauty tool in the world, but it doesn't do everything for your face. So we created 5 new brushes to help kind of complete your face. They're 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and synthetic, but they're a new technique of laser cutting the bristles so they actually feel as close to real hair as possible. You want to feel it? Isn't it so soft? And then on 3 of the tools, it comes with actually a Mack roller, which is actually zinc-infused stainless steel. So I'm going to roll this out so you can use this to actually deep puff, sculpt, and lift the face. Doesn't that feel really good? Yeah. And then, of course, we couldn't come to BeautyCon without our original blender, which are for sale as well.
We also checked out all the fun, interactive Instagrammable booths for that perfect shot. Let's stock up on some lip and hair products at Lime Crime. Let's talk nail art with singer/musician Pooja Kylassa at Nail & Bone. I am here with Pooja. You have the most stunning nails ever. They are so adorable.
Thank you so much.
Can you tell us about them?
Yeah, so I actually spent around 3 hours on these nails, but I love nail art and it gives me a really good way to just relieve my stress and relax. It's really nice to have something else to focus on. So this is all freehand. These are Converse nails. So they're also good for back to school.
That was all freehand?
Yes, it's all freehand.
That looks so cool. Oh my gosh. I need to head over to the red carpet area. I heard that there were fierce dance performances and maybe a special someone to talk to us about girl power. And here she is, actress and activist Priyanka Chopra taking the stage.
Please welcome BeautyCon CEO, Moj Madeira, and award-winning actor, global philanthropist, and ambassador of women's rights and gender equality, Priyanka Chopra.
Hi, everyone. Yes. Ooh, look at this. What do we have here? I see you. I think a lot of people having a great time. That's what I see. Priyanka, you are a global icon. You have a career spanning over 20 years, multiple continents, multiple industries. You have over 100 million followers. Authentic followers, I will also say. Real followers, global followers. And people all over the world look to you for inspiration. You're the first South Asian woman to be a star of a US TV network, right? So the question for everyone who's here is, who is Priyanka?
I think I'm kind of trying to figure that out myself. And I think it's okay not to know. We spend our entire lives trying to figure out who we really are, and then we change. And then we figure it out, and then we change again. And I think that's the most constant, right? I'm constantly changing, constantly evolving, and I'm hoping that everyone's still curious about me as I keep doing that. Well, a couple of things. I have a hypothesis. So I feel like I've had so many times whenever I'm doing interviews, people always ask me that, oh, you're doing a movie with, a female co-actor. Did you guys get along? Were there catfights? But when it comes to boys, they say, oh my gosh, that looks like a bromance and everyone got on so well. So I feel like over time, because women had the lack of opportunity, we were pitted against each other because there were only like 5 opportunities, like 5 places a woman could be hired, and so we were elbowing each other out to get to that one spot. So the crux of the problem is the lack of opportunity for females. And the more opportunity we create for each other, the more sisterhood will grow. We're 50% of the world's population.
That's right.
We need to be represented in every field like that. We need to be empowered by each other, by the people who are in positions of power, by putting us in positions of power. So I realized many, many years ago that the more I champion women in my own small way, maybe I'll be able to create a world around me at least where, women run the show because you know what feminism is?
Tell us.
Feminism is when you fight for the equality of everyone, not just women.
I agree.
This is Channel Lexus 2K6 signing off from BeautyCon. Bye guys! If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all the fun. See you on the next episode.